Hello everybody, I'm Sagi and I am OctaSec. So I'm back and today I'm going to teach you how do I learn stuff in cybersecurity. Okay, so let's start. Okay, in the first step that I do, I take maybe an online course or something like that to get the ball rolling, to get the feel, to know what I'm talking about, if I'm learning Splunk or maybe I'm learning Elastic or stuff like that. I'm taking the basis to know the fundamentals and get things straight, and maybe get some help for somebody who's professional in this area that I'm not yet professional in. And what I'm trying to do is to get to a point that I can self-correct. Okay, so when I know where something is wrong, but I'm going to self-correct it and figure out what's happening and learn more deeply. Okay, and after that, I'm taking the hands-on practice. So if I'm learning Splunk, I will be deploying Splunk on a virtual machine and trying, or maybe on my server at my home, to try to get the feel to it. Maybe start some like Active Directory, or maybe install an EPO or something like that, just so I can get some logs into the system. Maybe I will infect one of the system computer with a virus or something like that, just to know, to see the alerts go up, and maybe I will try to hack my own system to get the alerts rising, and then I start to maybe implicate some rules and stuff like that. And after I'm done with that, I will try to break the system. I'll try to break the database to see malfunction and see how I'm dealing with malfunction. Maybe start like block myself out of the system so I can generate a new admin password and stuff like that. And after that, I'm reading the documentation and I'm testing. Maybe I will try to connect to it, maybe AI, and see how does that work. Maybe I try to do some less conventional things, like trying to read the source code, or maybe try to connect things to that not supposed to connect, like maybe MISP and stuff like that, that don't usually work well, but supposed to work but not work well. Get under the engine, under the hood, and try to understand stuff. And I'm trying to compare it with other tools, and then I have tried to learn, to teach what I learned, and maybe watch some YouTube videos, try to see posts about it and stuff like that. And then the learning never stops. Cybersecurity always involving, and you need to stay curious, and you need to keep practice and share your knowledge, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. And if you like that and you want to see more, click subscribe. If you like that video, click like, and see you in the next one.